Hello beauties, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Luz and this is a very highly requested video on my Instagram. People want to know how I blow out my hair and how I straighten it. So this is a video showing you guys how I do this, and I'm going to be using a few products. I'm going to be using a heat protectant, and I'm going to be using clove water that I do myself. I'll show you guys a video on that a little later on, and I think those are the only two products that I'm going to be using. Yes, those are the only two products that I'm going to be using for today. So just keep on watching. I'm going to be showing you guys how I blow out my hair first and then how I straighten it. So just keep on watching. Also beauties, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. That way you guys are always updated every time I upload a video. That way you guys don't miss out on all the beauty funs. For this part here, I sped up the video just a little bit just so I wouldn't bore you guys. So trust me guys, I'm not pulling on my hair. It's just the video going a little fast. Just a disclaimer. So I forgot about this product that I use. I like to use this product right before I flat iron my hair, just because it gives me enough slippage that I can flat iron my hair, but it also leaves my hair nice and soft and silky, and it doesn't weigh it down. It's not oily at all. So that's why I really like this product right before I flat iron. Sometimes I do use it when I'm about to blow dry my hair, but I find it works better when I use it right before I flat iron my hair. Beauties, if you see that my hair is blowing, just disregard. It was really hot when I was flat ironing my hair, so I had to turn on the fan, girl, because it was too hot. So just disregard. But I did like the little effect, you know, my hair blowing in the wind. I felt like I was a celebrity, girl. But yeah, just disregard that. Also, I like to mention that I like to flat iron my hair using the chasing method, which is the method that I'm doing now on my hair. And I find it easier for me, and my hair, every time I straighten out my hair like that, my hair comes out super straight, which I really love. But I don't do my hair like that all the time. Most of the time I do, but not all the time. So beauties, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. I really love it, and I think my hair came out super nice. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and to turn on the notification bells. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.